Moms, obviously you care deeply about the health and well-being of your little ones. And so many of you have asked me questions over the years like, what do I do, Erin, if my baby's sick? Can I use a hydrosol? Can I use an herb? Can I use an essential oil? What do I do when the stomach flu is going through my house? How do I help my family be healthy and not get sick so much? And the biggest thing that you need to know is a lot of the information that's out here on the internet, on the mommy blogs, and from the essential oil MLMs is misleading and sometimes dangerous, and also not of the highest quality. I want you to feel really safe and secure with the decisions that you're making for your family and the preparations and the medicines that you're using at home. And so I was completely dissatisfied with anything that I could refer people to for that, and I've decided to make my own course for us so that we can really unpack this stuff. In my kitchen medicine course, we're going to be talking about herbs that you have in your kitchen right now that you can use to make simple preparations to help support your family, either preventatively or in the time of illness. We're going to be talking about essential oil safety, what to do, what not to do, other preparations that you might not have thought about that can help to support your family. And my goal with this is that you feel really solid, that you have a solid foundation under you so that you can feel like you can go into your kitchen and start making some of these preparations, knowing the full safety and knowing how to use them for your family to help you guys be healthier. You can find this in my links to register.